kind of had the business challenge as an electric utility of providing reliable energy to our customers. And one way we decided to approach that was through the deployment of smart fault indicators, which are line-mounted sensors. They harvest power from the line and have a communication component which allows them to transmit data during steady state conditions. So you get, in the case of our sensors, 5-minute load data, as well as when fault events occur, when there's an outage. They'll report that information immediately back to the head-end system, which allows us to make decisions. On average, for large outages, had about 30-minute patrol time. In larger circuits out in rural areas and places where there's not easy like road access to the lines, those patrols could take much longer, upwards of an hour or more potentially. So you can imagine trying to even cut that time in half can get your crews to work fixing the problem rather than trying to diagnose the problem. We wanted to also provide better visibility for our System Operations Center into what the current state of the circuits are in older substations where we don't have SCADA. Giving our System Operations Center better visibility into the system, better situational awareness around what is going on at those older substations really provided a lot of value for us. Pi was a natural fit for that infrastructure approach to building this smart fault indicator program. And the reason for that is, Pi is already central to historizing our data in our EMS. We're using it for our AMI data historizing. We have several folks in the company who are already familiar with the Pi tools, and we had the resources to utilize the entire Pi stack from data collection through to the visualization pieces of the Pi system. All right, so with the 1,200 locations that we had completed by the end of last year, 2016, our restoration strategy group estimated a savings of 3 minutes in Katy, which translates to 6.6 million outage minutes across our entire customer base. With 1,000 locations that we had installed at the head of circuit for monitoring purposes at $25,000 per location, we're looking at a $25 million capital savings as compared to what SCADA would cost to install at those same locations.